Z06 left this morning to get dynoed. Whoa, nice catch. Z06 left this morning to get dynoed, and UPS guy just showed up with this a couple hours after it left. Here's the C7 carbon products. C7 carbon. I think this is probably the rear spoiler, and I'm not sure what that piece is. Let's get them unboxed and check them out. They definitely took some care in packing this stuff. The box is very stout, and there's a ton of bubble wrap on this. As you can see, this one is the ZR1 extended spoiler in carbon fiber. So let's get this bubble wrap off and then we'll check it out a little. Here's a close-up of the carbon weave. Looks very cool. Fortunately, we can't put it on until the car comes back, but we have the spoiler now. It's kind of cool. I don't know if you can see that. You can see the carbon weave, and it actually fades to black right at the tip, and then it comes back in the carbon. Same way with the bottom edges and around the corner. It's neat looking. Alright, we got the Corvette back at the shop. Now it's time to put the spoiler on. It's actually so far very easy. You pop these outer or inner tail lights out. You can reach right up inside and take off the nuts. We already took the nuts off, and the spoiler comes loose. We got the C7 Carbons ZL1 extended spoiler. It's a very nice looking piece. So that pulls right off. You got some inverted Torx studs on there. You can pull the third brake light out. Alright, we got this mounted. Some slight adjustments needed, but that third brake light actually fits extremely nice. This is a nice piece. There's the finished product.